So, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Lohit.
Hemachandra.
So, we came from the Manipal University
Okay.
to know about your CAD center, sir. How it is and what about it? So, what is it? What type of a job orientations courses do you offer, sir?
Okay. See, basically, CAD Centre as a company, we are a 35-year-old company.
Okay, sir.
And our corporate office is at Chennai.
Okay.
And we have almost 450 plus outlets across the country.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And we are very much specialized in the training for engineering graduates.
Okay,
Basically
sir.
Mechanical, civil, and electrical, architectural. Right. And we are also into now business skills as well as IT skills also.
Okay, sir.
So all our programs are job-oriented programs, and we enhance the skill set for these current students so that they become employable.
So, there is no any opportunities for the commerce.
Yeah, commerce. That's what I was telling. We also have a separate brand under CAD Centre called as Synergy.
Okay.
Synergy School of Business Skills.
Okay.
So under that we cater for all the other commerce background, MBA. We have finance courses like SAP. We are also a Tally authorized training center. So we provide.
So, it's an paid or how it's?
Yeah, it's paid only. We are running a training center, so it is paid.
Okay.
Yeah, so for the students who already have enrolled courses with us, we give them certain internship which will be helpful. For some internships we charge, and for some internships we don't charge. For our own existing students, we don't charge any fees
Sure.
for the internship.
Okay, sir.
So, according to your business schools, so you prepare the students for real job orientations and all.
Correct.
Yeah. For that, you have business schools called Synergy, so that you're making them prepared for business as accountants and many more.
Correct.
Okay. What else comes under your commerce teams?
Okay. See, for Synergy School is a business school, business skills school.
Yeah.
So here we have our courses are categorized under three categories. One is the people skills,
Okay.
then operational skills,
Okay.
and the project management skills. Okay, so if you tell people skills is for the general, thing like we have MS Office,
Okay.
Word, Excel,
Entry job level.
entry job.
Okay.
Okay, we provide Tally and all those things.
Okay.
And we also, when you talk about operational skills, we are into data science, we are into Power BI sort of things. Okay,
Okay.
and we are also in project management skills. We train all the company top management executives.
Oh, nice.
Okay, who are into project management, who is a project manager. So project management skills to handle any large project,
Yeah.
either it could be an infrastructure project or an IT project. So we have certain programs designed for them.
Oh,
Okay, so and we also are into PMP certifications.
what's that?
So
sir?
PMP certification is exclusively for a project manager to become a globally recognized project manager.
Okay.
So he has to clear a certification exam called as PMP. So that also we train and certify them. We help
Is there
them
a
certify.
separate board for that, sir? Governing board
For
for
which one?
PNP,
PMB.
PMP, there is a separate international board called as PMI,
PMI.
PMB. What's up?
Project Management Institute.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and they conduct this PMP certification exams. And this PMP certification exam there is no specific discipline for it. Anybody
sir.
can take up the PMP exam, provided they have a 2 years of work experience after 3 years of degree.
Oh. So
Okay.
your courses is it in online or is it
We
offline?
have
Offline.
both online, offline.
Okay.
We also have hybrid classes going.
Okay.
How is it?
How is it,
integrated?
sir? going?
Yeah.
How is
yeah.
it integrated? Can you explain more about hybrid classes?
So when I tell hybrid classes, we have some working professionals who want some classes online, some classes offline. So that is called as hybrid mode.
Okay.
So, what are the challenges do you face ensuring the stable of job placements?
Job placement.
Yes, sir.
See,
Challenges.
See, the challenge is only with respect to the students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, jobs are already there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there is no dearth of jobs. So as we communicate with a lot of HRs in the company, the only problem the HRs are feeling is jobs are there, but they're not getting the right skilled people.
Persons. Yeah.
Okay, so the people who come out of the college, they are not ready with the right skill set what is required to the company.
Okay.
So companies cannot take them. They don't have time to take them and again train them and then put on job. So they want people who are ready with the skill set. So
Since
that is where we develop that. We have a academia, industry academia tie-ups where we
Okay.
make them ready and send it to this corporates.
So, what exactly are the HR managers expecting from the students, and what are the skills that you inculcate into the students apart from the academics and the skills?
Okay, see, now one is the skill set can be again classified into two groups. One is the technical skills, other one is the personal skills. Okay, so we try to see that their technical skills are well developed. Okay, and we have all the expertise from our head office to make them technically skilled. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
we how we come up with our curriculum is we try to go with the topmost companies, talk to the HRs, talk to the technical people there, ask them what is the current requirement, what does they expect technically from a
Okay, sir.
candidate, and we train them on those lines. So we
Okay,
take
sir.
the curriculum from the industry.
Sir, are there collaboration with colleges or institutions, sir?
Hmm. Yeah, we do have collaborations. We
Okay.
actually, to tell you one more thing, Manipal University. Yours is Manipal University from Bangalore.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
So our CAD Center is already tied up with Manipal in the
UDP branch.
Udupi branch.
Okay,
So
sir.
we are already having a training setup inside your campus. We are training our company people are training them on an in-house scale.
Okay.
We have launched majority of the CAD courses for all the engineering graduates. We also have an electric vehicle setup there.
Okay.
Okay, for electric vehicle courses we have. We also have a
We have seen it, sir.
yeah. So we already have Manipal is already a part of CAD Center. CAD
Okay,
Center
sir.
is a part of Manipal. Something like that.
So, how do you maintain long-term relationship with recruiting companies and all?
Yeah, see, we try to help the corporates, giving them the right skill set, which will make their employees productive. In
Okay.
that way, and we are in the market from past 35 years. So that itself gives a stability to the company that okay, these guys are there and they give the best. Yeah. Yeah, so we are more on the reliability side. So, and we also give the best. As I told, technically we make them sound.
Okay.
And we directly see some of their softwares. We are directly the authorized training partners,
Okay, sir.
especially for CAD or whatever. We are the direct what the companies develop a software. So our trainers or our executives get trained by them. Okay, so we give always the latest, and we are also now tied up with for some of our CAD programs. We are tied up with TÜV. TÜV is a German-based certification agency which is globally
Okay, sir.
accepted. So some of our courses like BIM are accredited by the TÜV certification. So the student has to take up an exam and clear that. So they get a globally recognized certification.
So, what are the percentage of students get placed after completing this course?
Okay, so the percentage is almost 80 to 85%.
Oh,
I
good.
mean, some students, because some are, if you take the remaining people are all working professionals
Yeah.
who come and upgrade their skills.
Yeah.
So they will not have that intention.
So, how do industry partnerships helps to improve your training progress?
Yeah, that's what I already
Yeah.
mentioned it. That we already have a lot of tie-ups with the industries.
Okay.
And now, if you see recently, also we have trained corporates like
Yeah.
in and around Lanka. Now, currently we are training a company called as Teneco, which is opposite just in this road.
Yeah, sir. I know
Yeah,
it.
so
Yeah.
we're training people from there. We're training people from retail industries.
Okay.
Okay, we have trained people from railway industry, Bangalore International Airport. So, and we have a lot of people coming from different organizations and coming and learning here. So we have people coming from Foxconn.
Oh.
Okay, so you heard about Foxconn?
Yeah, sir. It's a good this one.
Yeah, Foxconn only manufactures your iPhone,
Yeah.
which is in Doddaballapur. So we have people coming from there.
Okay.
So we know what is their requirement. So people coming here means that we serve them to their requirement.
Okay.
So in that way, we have
Nowadays, there's a major surge in AI industries, and most of the jobs, to make it easier, they request AI students and AI qualifications.
Yeah.
Apart from like our college experience and our learning skills, I think it's very mainstream. What's your perspective on that, and what's your course help in that?
So I think you have asked me the right question, but you asked a little late.
Okay,
You
sir.
should have told. So today, before anybody, any other training organization, we have already incorporated AI into our syllabus. Okay, and all our CAD courses, all our courses are having the AI. What I can say, implementation. Okay. So today we teach even in CAD. Okay, so generally the IT engineers have to do some programming and then come up with it. But for even a application engineering, like for mechanical or civil engineering, for an automotive design, or for any design thing also, we are implementing AI tools to make the designs much more faster. So today, as you know, if you see the recent news also, AI is becoming. There's a lot of AI going on.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
a lot of billions of dollars are being invested.
Yes, sir.
So we have made our students also industry ready by implementing AI. Okay, and yeah, what I wanted to say is AI becomes one of the. I wanted to give a small thing that AI will, because of AI, you will not lose the job.
Yeah.
But if you don't know AI, you will not get into the job.
Yes, sir.
So the thing is, you should know AI.
Yes.
In some form or the other, you should be aware of the AI tools.
Yeah.
So today, even in software companies, every week the engineers, the IT software engineers or anybody is being told to learn at least 3 new tools on AI. Otherwise, they'll not be in the market.
Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
the standards have been set pretty high.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are already AI powered.
Okay.
We already have all our courses, which is which AI. We use AI and make our designs faster. We make the students more productive on AI technologies.
Okay. So talking about job security. So what you are saying is we have to keep on improving our job skill sets and keep growing
Yeah.
in our individual perspective.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So from how many years the CAD center is going on, sir?
Okay. So CAD Center here we have started in the year 2005.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is our 21st year of operations, and we're in the same building. Okay. We were in the second floor. We shifted to third floor. We were in a small place, but now we are in a larger space. And we cater to all types of skill training. So we are, and today we build more of not only the training, we also build the competence.
Okay, sir.
Competence building is very important today. Okay, so today you go to any job, it is not that okay, I know Tally or I know SAP. That is not the case. Okay, they should also know the logical thinking and the theoretical approach of how to solve a problem solution. So in that way, we are also into competence building. So today, CAD Center and Synergy, we are totally catering to all the technical uh, domain as well as the non-technical domain. So in the non-technical domain, all the commerce, MBA students, and any graduate, okay, any graduate can come to CAD Center and we can give them the best in terms of skill training as well as we can give them the right path for their uh, career.
So,
Suppose some student has a doubt, what should I do? When we can give them a path as if you do this, this will be your choice. If you do this, this will be your job opportunities. These are companies which can afford you. So see, today we have many people who come and tell that I I'm working in some company now for more than 10 years, but now I don't want to change because they're not happy with the salary. So we have certain courses exclusively for them, which will make them independent. They don't have to work tomorrow. They can become an entrepreneur or they can have run their own business. So we have certain courses like interior design courses, where anybody who has the flair knowledge of interiors, and who is creator, they can become an entrepreneur by doing a 8 months course with us. So we provide them all these facilities to make them become that. We take them to site visits. We take them real time projects. Okay, and all these things.
so thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.